right, maybe third time's a charm. Hey, this is Mike from Elite Auto Outlet in Bridgeport, Ohio. My phone number is 740-633-8888. And what I'm going to do for you today is just a quick walk around on this new Dodge truck that we got in. This is a Dodge Ram 3500 4x4 with the Cummins diesel. And it features the 5.9 liter Cummins instead of your 6.7 liter, which is also available this year, which is, I believe, the 5.9 is the more sought after motor. Being a Laramie package, black truck, woo, this is a nice one, folks. And it's been heavily customized. It's had the head studs done to it. It's had 100 horsepower injectors done to it. Has an edge programmer. Has the Road Runner, or I think Road Runner. It's from Certified Transmissions. Road Killer Stage 2 transmission. It has a nice Rockstar 20-inch wheels with almost new Firestone Destination Tires on it. It's had the front end rebuilt on it approximately 6 months ago. All the front end components have been taken care of. 5% window tint, halo headlights, air intake. It's got an exhaust on it. I mean, this thing has it all. So I'm going to be shooting another video of this truck. This is kind of the preview video. I'll be shooting another video of this truck when the weather's a little bit warmer so we can wash it. About 10 degrees today. And once we get the weather, we'll get it cleaned up a little bit. But I thought I'd just take you a spin around it real quick. Fire it up, let you hear it. And let you know it is available for sale. And we'll get her cleaned up here hopefully next week when the weather breaks. Man, it's cold out. Let me show you the inside. See there, it's got, I need one part of the mirror replaced on the tow mirrors, but pretty clean truck in general. It's got your leather interior, it's got your power pedals, edge programmer, like I said. I'll fire it up for you so you can hear it. It's got an aftermarket Bluetooth stereo system in it. You can hear this thing, man. It sounds absolutely great. Levolution CTS tuner on it for edge. Real nice sound of the truck. I'm gonna walk around without started here. Here. I mean, it's got a couple little dings and dents here, but no rust. You can see body's clean on it. No fender flares hiding everything. Underneath, frame and everything's in real nice shape on it also. Yeah, I just had to do a quick walk around today, show it to you. And I'll have a more extensive video next week for you. And you can really check this thing out. Super nice truck. 145,000 miles on it. So if you have any questions though, in the meantime, give me a call. My name is Mike. My phone number is 740-633-8888. Call me and reach me online at eliteautooutlet@gmail.com. Thanks a lot and have a good day.